Hey everybody, Dave Clark, aka the Pattern Guy. Hey, we're up at the Foundry again today. I told you we'd get up here. It's probably one of the first promises I ever made here. So anyhow, we're up here. As I said before, last video we got molds made here. We got the furnace all charged. I'm going to light that up in a minute. And we're going to pour some brass today, okay? So I said bronze a couple times. We're pouring brass today. These Y pipes are made out of brass. I don't know if I've mentioned this before too. There's a possibility the customer that we're doing these for, he asked if I'd give him a price on machining these, and all the machining requires is basically drilling holes in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a batch today, and then depending on how we got down here pretty early, it's Sunday morning. I got down here pretty early, so I gotta see how I'm feeling, and I just got a lot of stuff to do at home also. See how this pour goes, see how I'm feeling after. We might make some of these here too. So this other like T-shaped pipe, okay, these are bronze. We brought the bronze up with us. So I may make some of these, I'm not 100% sure, but you know, for sure we're pouring the brass right now. Maybe, you know, like I said, light up. It'll take about 45 minutes for the brass to melt. I'll show you guys pouring it and that. And then, like I said, depending on how we're doing, afterwards we'll try to do those T-pipes a little bit too. So get that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this batch home. It's going to take me a couple days to cut all the gating off, clean them up, and then I'm going to go ahead and make a fixture. And we'll machine like a half a dozen of them, something like that, half dozen. We'll see what it's going to entail, how long it takes, come up with a price for the guy, and if he wants to do it with our price, fine. If not, then, you know, he can do them on his own like he is planning on anyhow. So that's what we got in store for today. So I'm going to turn you guys off, get the furnace lit up, and let it cook for about 45 minutes, and then we'll show you pouring some brass. Hang tight, guys. Oh man, this is hot. That got some gas out of there, huh? Okay, we're digging the crap off the top here. Wow, jeez, oh man, this is like, whew. Dross. Bricks up too. Got two strings going. Hang on a second. They're pulled twisted. God dang it. We get two strings going here, man. There we go. aren't taking as much as I thought they were. Getting hot again, Joe? Yep. And we're slopping all over today. Gotta get this. Okay guys, we got these all poured off. It's ready to time to demold them. If you see, we had a double spout coming out of there, so we had a little bit of a mess. That's kind of stinks when that happens. It's nice if you have a third person here, they can clean the trough out a little bit before you, or the spout of the crucible before it starts doing that, but we didn't have that. So we just did what we did, and we got these poured, and we'll demold them. And there you go. That's a finished product. We're missing some down there. Let's see how else these other ones came out here. Well, we're still missing a couple. That one, that's weird. It's the last one. They all came out. Okay guys, we just got done pouring, we demolded, and we're just gonna call it a day today, I think. I was gonna do some more molds, but I'm so through, so I'm done for the day. But that's brass. So we'll get another chalk talk out next week, I hope, and then we're going to come up here and do some aluminum in the next few days too. I'll try to get the camera off of Joe and show you guys how to do the aluminum again. So everybody out there, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't, please subscribe. Tell your friends about me, and see if we can't keep this thing going, okay? So everybody have a good one out there, and stay safe.